As you can see, guys, we're having some more rain. There is a tornado warning in place, but I don't think we're going to get a tornado. I think we're just going to get thunder and lightning and heavy rain. You can hear the thunder in the distance. It's absolutely bouncing it down. I mean, it's got to be the wettest holiday I've ever been on. I've never had a holiday it's rained like this. We were in Turkey one year and we had a hurricane and we had 3 days of like thunder and lightning and rain. And the roads were like rivers. But once it stopped, it never rained again on that holiday. Whereas here it's just like rain and rain and rain. This is the first thunder and lightning, but my good God, it really has been wet. Supposed to get some high winds, I think, but wow. Yeah, it's more or less above us now. Don't have to be crazy to go out in this. Just thought you might all find this quite interesting. I do actually quite like a thunderstorm. I would prefer it if I went on holiday, but no, we didn't have any plans to actually go out, so it hasn't really sort of stopped us. But it's just unbelievable the amount of rain we've had this year. Really is quite amusing actually, but I never thought I'd see weather like this in Memphis, to be fair. I mean, I know it comes, but you know, in the years that I've been here, I've never seen rain like this. Not here. I just wonder, I think it's supposed to be fine tomorrow, but I just wonder how bad it'll get through the night. I don't think this is the worst of it. I think we're getting the worst of it later on. Glad we're not flying home tonight in this, because whether planes will be taking off in a thunderstorm, I really don't know. I mean, to be honest, it's not as heavy as it was earlier on. Earlier on, it was absolutely bouncing down. Some poor sod over there pushing a suitcase. I just thought I'd share this. It's a lively night, that's for sure. It won't be more tonight. Yeah, it's right above us now. I don't know what the weather's like in England at the moment. I'm sure it's nothing like this. I just find storms fascinating. They really are fascinating. Well, I think I'll probably leave it at that, guys, because I think it's only so much of this you're going to want to watch. Not much information going on, other than I'm telling you we're having a storm. I'll try and do some more videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.